We start with 1 hour chart. You want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, we analyzing the chart based on the HITBTC. As we know, the price of the HITBTC is much more lower than the other exchanges. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, the only way is to put our entry above this top, which is around 0.90906. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have. If we refer to daily chart, even if we explain my last analysis, if you look at this move, almost the price is at the lowest. And if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Okay. That's mean technically, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. But how deep it can go, even the price can deeper, it can be, but we are not really interested to look for sell. And if we want to look for buy, the only thing is we need to see the reversal. Okay. Anyway, based on daily chart, we don't have any reversal. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the forward chart, even we see we have a divergence. We explained my last analysis. How to look for the trade in technically, we don't need to go through the chart. Okay. The only thing is if we get a reversal, we will take the trade. Okay, can we consider this is the start of the up move and this is the correction relative to this? The only way to look for trade, either we put our entry above the top, or based on lower time frame we will look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for trade. Okay, because the hit BTC, the way the chart is moving is quite different from other exchanges, and sometimes we cannot use the technical analysis to analyze the chart. The only thing is we see based on daily forward on 1 hour chart, we see the reversal, the divergence. The only thing is if we get any reversal, the only thing is we can look for buy. Okay, even I explained my last analysis. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, the only way to look for trade, either we wait for the sharp move flag or correction, we take the trade, or we put our entry above the top, either above here or above the edge. And that's me something around somewhere around 0.087 or at 0.09. I prefer to put my entry somewhere around 0.09. That's mean above this. And what I want in case the price sharply reverse, at least we get the trade. And we want to see the price tag break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The only way is to put our entry above the top, or if we get any reversal as a short move flag, we take the trade. Mostly if there is a reversal, maybe we cannot get really good trade setup. That's why we try to put our entry above the stop. It depends on the traders, because what we want the price tag break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving, and as I explained, within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. The reason is I mentioned it depends on the traders, because sometimes the price sharply can tag and drop. That's why it's really risky. But as I explained, this is the only way we can look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we don't see really good trade setup, and what I can see here, the way move is corrective, still we can expect the price to continue. All right. And whether we put our entry above the top or above here, somewhere around 0.087, it depends on the traders. That's mean within this range, 0.087 and 0.09. Okay, what I prefer to put around above the stop, which is 0.09. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup for the reversal, then I will share. Thanks.